British seacoasts. Hosting some of the best and biggest seabird colonies in the world, these coasts are home to an impressive variety of bird species for a few months every spring and summer. Species such as guillemots, razorbills, gannets, puffins, kittiwakes and fulmar are among the many seabirds that make their homes on the sea cliffs. Guillemots. Masters of living life on the edge. Literally, they build their nests on ledges and cliffs along the coast. This may appear to be an unusual nesting location, but in reality it protects them from predators. Guillemots lay eggs in dense colonies on steep cliffs with large, open ledges. They typically sit on the ocean surface between making deep dives for fish, during which they flap their wings for propulsion. Adorning a black and white plumage, the razorbill is a medium-sized seabird. Unlike the related guillemot, it has a large black beak that is deep and blunt. Razorbills usually nest in large colonies and are known to lay their eggs on bare rock. Human disturbances and hunting have caused significant reductions in the razorbill in the North Atlantic since the 19th century. Hunting pressure, overfishing of key prey species, and oil pollution are all threats to this bird. This colony has a new guest though, an Atlantic puffin. It has arrived early on the cliffs and is in search of a burrow. Gannets. Gannets are large white birds with yellowish heads, black-tipped wings and long bills. Raising their heads high up in the air and clicking their long bills against each other, gannets attract their mates by using the unique behaviour known as sky pointing. With the mating season around the corner, they have now started building nests. It is the males who do most of the nest building. Gannets nest at the edge of the sea, on rocky cliffs, often on islands or stacks. The nest is a compressed pedestal of grass, algae, feathers and mud, held together with excrement. UK seas have been a spring haven for gannets and other seabirds, but they are now facing numerous challenges. Food shortages in our seas are becoming a regular occurrence. Storms are a hazard that need to be faced regularly, and as climate change warms our waters, they are now struggling for survival.